Binigyan din na Malacanang na may mga paraan para matukoy kung may paglabag sa implementasyon ng Disbursement Acceleration Program. Inihayag ito ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte bilang reaksyon sa mungkahing magsagawa ng special audit ang COA sa pagpapatupad ng nasabing programa. Si Rocky Ignacio ang ating tagapagbalita.
Tiniyak na Malacanang na may kaukulang hakbang para matukoy ang posibleng pananagutan sa pagpapatupad ng Disbursement Acceleration Program o DAP. Sinabi ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte sa harap ng kahilingan ng magsagawa ng special audit ang Commission on Audit sa implementasyon ng DAP matapos ideklarang unconstitutional ang ilang probisyon nito.
Grace Pulido Tan had already said if I'm not mistaken, 2013 pa niya sinabi that they will undertake an audit. Kasi kasama yan dun sa annual audit reports dapat ng COA for the agencies that have projects identified under the DAP. So it really should be there. However, I understand now that the issue is that some quarters are calling for a special audit so that it will be easy to see, or at least all the 116 will be lumped together in one audit. It will be up to the Commission on Audit to respond to calls for a special audit.
Niliwanag rin ng palasyo na hindi tinuring ng Korte Suprema na impounded funds ang ginamit sa ilalim ng DAP.
I would obviously like to disagree. I'm just going through, I had the occasion to go through the main decision of the Supreme Court in the Belhica case. And the Supreme Court itself says that, if I may quote, withdrawal of allotments and retention of appropriated funds cannot be considered as impoundment. It goes on to explain the definition of impoundment. So the Supreme Court itself said that DAP is not a form of impoundment. It's on page, for their consumption, they can check the actual decision. It is on page 65, second to the last paragraph.
Handa rin naman anya nilang harapin ang usapin sakaling habulin sila maski sa pagtatapos ng termino ng Aquino administration.
It's a possibility, but I will tell you that it does not hamper how we do our work.
So are you
for
ready
the remaining 728 days.
Nanindigan rin ang palasyo na hindi may tuturing na pabigat si DBM Secretary Butcho Abad sa Administrasyong Aquino, sa gitna na rin ang kahilingan ng ilang grupo na dapat na itong magbitiw sa pwesto.
We don't subscribe to the theory that every government is just a one-trick pony. The president asked these persons or these people to join his official family because they can contribute not merely to one issue but to a wide spectrum of issues and concerns.
Si Abad ang sinasabing arkitekto umano ng DAP.
I understand that particular exchange because he was being directly asked if the president approved, and he stated a matter of fact that yes, the president approved the releases, because in the ultimate analysis, under the Constitution, it is really the president who can approve the realignments. So what other people would classify as panglalaglag in the vernacular was merely really a statement of fact by the budget secretary.
Ipinaubaya naman ng palasyo kay Abad kung nais itong magsalita o magpaliwanag ukol dito.
It will be up to Secretary. So it is his discretion or in his judgment to come out and to speak if and when he deems it necessary.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.